Now, if you want to access the characters inside your string, for example, it's just simple. If we have been used to list, just the same. Let's say we want to have a character equals to, let's say, my string, and let's put it index 0 and see what we're going to get here. And instead of printing a string, let us just print C here, and let's save this. And if we print here, we are going to have H. This is index 0. We can try also for, let's say, index 3 and save this. We are going to have L. So this is how you can access your characters inside a string. Okay, now you may also sometimes try for a negative value. So if you put here negative, let's say -1, if we save this and if we print here, we are going to have D, because this is a last element from our string. Okay, and we may also try to use -2. Let's say for -2, what are we going to get here? So you can probably guess it is L, because L is here. Okay, what we can do is trying to access a character and change it. For example, assigning a character to a string, as we have learned that strings are immutable. So assigning a character is going to give us a problem here. For example, we may decide to do this. Let's say we have my string here, and let's say my string, let's say at index 0, and say let us assign it to W. Let's say assign it to W. So if you can see, we can't assign this. If we print this here, let's say my string, probably we're going to have the problem, and this is the error. So we get an error that string object does not support item assignment. This is because strings are immutable, and that's why we're going to have this error here. Okay,